help us upgrade our shed roof with Onduline. So our shed was covered in the old felt roof and we wanted to add a new roof on. So this is the EASYFIX from Onduline. You literally add it on top of your existing roof. So first up, we offered up all the pieces to make sure we didn't need to do an end cut. Then Luke cut them down to the measurement of the roof, making sure they were nice and straight so we got a lovely edge. Then he added up a string line just so we have an end point of where all the roofing sheets sit, and this should be about 7 centimeters from the roof. And he also found where the joists were inside so that we could drill into those when fixing the sheets down. So now it's time to get screwing. It's important not to over tighten the screws and just let them sit nice and flush on top of the roofing, and then it's time to just keep screwing. Luke likes to do the bottom and then the top one just to make sure it sits nice and flat. Then when it comes to an overlap, we want to overlap once and secure this in with a screw. I love how it's looking so far. And I'm not gonna lie, this was quite a bit of my job, just standing around passing this and passing that, but it definitely helped to get the job done, especially passing these screws. Then we repeated just on the other side so that all the roof was covered. Then it was time to add in the end ridges, and these cover over just on the little groove and you screw them down just like the roofing. This just covers over what you have existing on the end. It was actually really easy to do, even if I was just the supervisor. And then lastly, it was time to add the top ridge on. Luke did the same as the side sheets and offered them up, make sure they had a nice equal gap and screwed them on. Here is the finished project. What do you think? I absolutely love it.